There is something about the smell of freshly baked chicken pie. It feels like home, no matter where you are in the world. Today, as we make this golden pockets of joy, I want to share a little story with you about a time when a simple pie taught me more about life than any book could. I remember years ago when I baked my first chicken pie. It wasn't perfect. The dough was too hard. The filling was dry. The smile on my little cousin's face when she ate it, that was priceless. Sometimes in life, we wait until we feel ready to start something. But truth is, the best time to start is now, ready or not. Just like this dough will learn to be soft, flexible, and full of goodness. There was a lady in my neighborhood who sold chicken pies every Sunday after church. She always said it's not the pie that they are buying, it's the comfort inside. I didn't understand then, but now I do. People remember how you make them feel more than what you give to them. So as we stir this filling, tender chicken, sweet carrots, soft potatoes, I think about the people I want to comfort today. Sometimes we rush things and they fall apart, just like hot filling breaking through the dough. Life has a way of teaching us to pause, to breathe, and to let things cool before moving to the next step. If you've been in a hurry lately, maybe this is your reminder to slow down, slow down. Making pies is like life. We put all our best things inside and try to seal them in. But if we're too rough, they crack. If we're too soft, they fall apart. Balance, my friend, balance. And the funny thing, the imperfect ones usually taste just as good. There's something satisfying about folding this pie, tucking in the flavor and sealing the edges just right. It reminds me that what we protect in life, our dreams, our loved ones, should be handled with care, patience, and love. When these pies go into the oven, we can't rush the process. We wait. We trust the heat to do its work. Some of us are in the oven right now, waiting, hoping, feeling the pressure. But trust me, when the time is right, you will come out golden. The moment we bring them out, they look perfect, but they are too hot to eat. Even after a victory, sometimes you have to wait before enjoying the reward. Then you're going to have them golden, flaky, bursting with flavor. My dear positive vibers, the beauty is in the process. So whether you are baking pies or you are building your dreams or simply trying to make it through the day, remember, it's not just about the end result. It's about the warmth you give, the love you share along the way. Now tell me, who are you going to share your last chicken pie with? Let me know in the comment section. As I look at these pies, I can't help but think they didn't just get here by chance. They were planned, measured, shaped, and given time. And life, well, life works the same way. You don't wake up one day and find yourself exactly where you want to be. You mix your experiences, knead your life lessons, fill them with dreams, and give them time to bake. You know, I once heard someone say, love is like a good pie. You can't keep it to yourself, and it is true. Whether you make it 6 pieces or 60, the joy really comes when you watch someone take a bite and smile. That's the reward, that's the magic. Sometimes we think we need so much to be happy, a bigger kitchen, a fancier tool, more ingredients. But I've seen people make the most unforgettable pies with nothing more than a small rolling pin, a pan, and love in their hands. It is never really about what you have. It's about what you do with it. I've ever shared pies with people I love and with complete strangers. And it is funny, the strangers I shared with often became friends. That's the thing about food. It opens doors that words sometimes cannot. These pies sitting here now remind me of all the times I thought something was too hard to try. I will look at other people's result and think I could never do that. But here's the truth. Every expert was once a beginner, and every pie that is perfect today was once a little disaster in someone's oven. If you have ever felt like you are not enough, just remember this pie. On its own, flour can't do much, butter cannot do much, chicken cannot do much, but together they create something unforgettable. Maybe you're just waiting to meet the right people or the right opportunities to bring your best flavor out. So if your life feels bland, maybe it's just missing a few ingredients, not the end of the recipe. As you watch this pie cool, I hope you also give yourself permission to cool, to rest. You don't have to be on all the time. The pie doesn't lose its value because it's not in the oven anymore. In fact, that is when it is ready to be enjoyed. And if you're watching this from far away, maybe in a place where chicken pies aren't common, here's my challenge to you. Try it. Even if you think you will mess it up, the beauty isn't just in eating it, it is in making it. The laughter in your kitchen, the small feeling in the air, the little moment when you pull it out and think, I made this, that is the part you would remember. So here's to more pies, not just in the kitchen, but in our lives. And as you take the first bite, I hope you taste more than chicken and vegetables. I hope you taste the joy of creating, the patience of waiting, and the sweetness of sharing, because at the end of the day, it's never just about the pie. Thank you so much for baking with me, for listening, and for being here till the last crumb. Now go share one of your pie. You never know whose day you might change with just one bite. I am going to see you in my next video. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. If you have any question or you have any step that you are not so sure of, drop your questions in the comment section. I'll be more than excited to reply. Thank you guys. God bless you and I love you. Bye.